Ladakh means land of high passes. The region was previously known as Marayul. Ladakh is the highest plateau in India, with much of it being over 3000 meter. It extends from the Himalayan to the Kunlun ranges and includes the upper Indus River Valley. The Indus River is the backbone of Ladakh. Ladakh is a region administered by India as a union territory. It is the largest and the second least populous Indian territory of India. As Ladakh is a part of the strategically important Kashmir region, the Indian military maintains a strong presence in the region. The largest town in Ladakh is Leh, followed by Kargil. As its culture and history are closely related to that of Tibet, it is known as the Little Tibet. Ladakh's earliest inhabitants consisted of a mixed Indo Aryan population. Around the 1st century, it was a part of the Kushan Empire. Buddhism spread into western Ladakh from Kashmir in the 2nd century. Between the 1380 and early 1510, many Islamic missionaries propagated Islam over Ladakh. Mir Sayyid Ali was the first one to make Muslim comments in Ladakh and is often described as the founder of Islam in Ladakh. It is a high altitude desert as the Himalayas create a rain shadow, generally denying entry to monsoon clouds. The main source of water is the winter snowfall on the mountains. There are about 1800 kilometers of roads in Ladakh, of which 800 kilometers are surfaced. The majority of roads in Ladakh are looked after by the Border Roads Organization. Important airports of Ladakh are Buhela Rompoche Airport in Leh, two airstrips at Daulat Beg Oldi Fukche, and Kargil Airport at Kargil, which is specially used by the Indian Army. Vegetation is extremely sparse in Ladakh except along stream beds and wetlands, on high slopes and irrigated places. About 1250 plant species, including crops, were reported from Ladakh. Some important species are like wild roses of pink or yellow, tamarisk, caraway, stingling, nettles, mint, and various types of grasses grow over Ladakh. The bharal or blue sheep is the most abundant mountain ungulates in the Ladakh region. The Asiatic ibex is a very elegant mountain goat of Ladakh. The Ladakhi Urial is another unique mountain sheep. Tibetan Angali is the largest wild sheep in the world found over here. The endangered Tibetan antelope known as Chiru is hunted for its wool. Ladakh is home to the Tibetan gazelle. The Tibetan wild ass is common in the grasslands of Ladakh. The Pallas cat, the Tibetan wolf, brown bears, Tibetan sandfox, marmots here are common over here. Ladakhi food has much is common with Tibetan food. Popular food of Ladakh are thukpa, sumpa, skew. Skew, it's a type of a heavy pasta dish with root vegetables. Tea in Ladakh is made with strong green tea, butter, and salt. This special type of tea is known as Gurgur cha in Ladakh. Nowadays, sweet tea is common. It is made in the Indian style with milk and sugar. The music of Ladakh, Buddhist monasteries festivals like Tibetan music after involves religious chanting in Tibetan as an integral part of religion. Young chanting performed without metrical timing is accompanied by resonant drums and low sustained syllables. Hems Monastery, a leading center of the Drupa tradition of Buddhism, holds an annual Mark Dance festival. It is a very famous mask dance in Ladakh. So, thus, the people of Ladakh recreate themselves by having various types of food and music. Waving is a part of traditional life in eastern Ladakh. Both men and women wave on their different looms. The most popular sports in Ladakh is ice hockey, generally played in mid-December through mid-February. Cricket is also popular. Archery is a traditional sports of Ladakh. One thing I want to tell you more, that Tibetan medicine, mixture of Ayurveda and Chinese medicine combined with the philosophy and cosmology of Tibetan Buddhism, has been the traditionally health system of Ladakh. Now I will tell you about the schools and academic value in Ladakh. Schools are well distributed through Ladakh, but 75% of them provide only primary education. According to the 2001 census, the overall literary rate in Leh is 62% and in Kargil 58%. At last, but not the least, a feature of Ladakh society that distinguishes it from the rest of the state is the high status and relative emancipation enjoyed by women compared to other rural parts of India. This is making Ladakh very special among all kinds of states in India. Thank you.